ongoing development, largest install base, etc. Second, Java, despite its flaws, is still an excellent language for developing enterprise applications. Third, coming to performance. Java is typically one of the fastest language implementations and combinations available. Fourth, it is used in major corporate backing, like Java is a strategic platform supported by many of the world's largest and most important technology companies and organizations like Google, Oracle, IBM, the Apache Software Federation, etc. Java has also substantial support from major users of technologies like banks, media, companies, etc. No other language or platform has been in board for such a long time. Next is portability. Java is the closest thing in existence to a genuine cross-platform programming environment. It is on everything from high-end servers to smartphones, and compiled pure Java code will run unmodified on all these platforms. Next, it is an excellent tool, most of which are free and are open source. Next, Java is an open source. The core Java implementation is OpenJDK, and the most interesting Java libraries and tools are open source. Next, Java is not just a language, it's a platform. There are many promising languages. My prediction would be that the Java language continues to receive minor enhancements to feature while this new JVM languages are there, the cutting edge innovation will happen. But it is the part of the Java platform. In the 2000s, Java was a decent first language to learn, like Pascal was in 80s. I have been hearing in many places that Java will go out of programming limelight soon. There are newer pop stars like ROR and Node.js coming in. But as I look around, I see Java still being used as primary language of development, especially here in mass software development industries of India. The Java language will decline a bit in the next 5 or 10 years, but given the inertia of a lot of industry, will certainly not die out. We at Freshers will have posted ample amount of jobs on Java developers with a minimum salary of 3.5 lakhs per year. Kindly apply for the jobs on the ثانية page. We would love to hear from your feedback on the videos that we post. Please like and subscribe to Freshers World YouTube channel on jobs and careers. For more videos, keep watching us. Thank you.
Can you tell me what a Java developer should know?
First of all, know that Java and JavaScript are not the same language.
That much I do know.
Understand the Java SE libraries, and understand the collections framework. Be familiar with data structures, beyond array lists.
And know what an array list is.
I can give you more pointers.
Isn't that how you reference a value in an array?
Yeah. You also need to understand the concepts of object-oriented programming, and then how to implement them in Java.
That's what makes you a Java developer.
Understand how the Java virtual machine works. The JVM is so powerful that other languages like Scala utilize the JVM to run their code.
Should I know other programming languages to work in Java? I've heard people say you should learn Haskell to learn function programming, for example.
At least if you learn niche languages like French and Finnish, you sound sexy or smart. If you are working on web applications, know JavaScript and HTML so that the web application works when run on a web page.
HTML is so simple, you can learn it on a long weekend.
HTML5 and cascading style sheets are a little more complicated, so give it a week of study to be able to replace Adobe plugins with video tags.
Yeah, have as many browser crashes. Should I learn some of the Java-like programming languages?
You can skip CoffeeScript, and Mocha is too new to even debate using.
This is like Cocoa and Cocoa Touch. I guess a lot of programming terms are beverage related.
There's a pizza programming language, so it is not just beverages.
I did not need to know that. Do I need to know what Java means?
You don't have to know what Java means, since it is not an acronym, though there are jokes about it as meaning just another vague acronym.
What about Mocha?
Mocha is supposed to look like Java, but has a lot of tags and constructs like HTML.
You might as well learn Java and HTML.
And then you'll be a good Java developer. And know at least one framework, like Spring.
Or Eclipse.
Eclipse is a development environment. If you're working on a server, learn jQuery to monitor the performance of your web-based apps.
I'm having horrific flashbacks to dreams of becoming a Unix admin.
Learn Bintray to manage code imports and libraries from Java repositories. It is like a librarian for code libraries.
That'll save me a lot of time, and from a lot of horror stories.
TACUP is a tool to tell you why code breaks, like explaining where exceptions happen, and other information beyond a standard warning.
I'd love to sit with the programmers who designed a Java coding fix for dummies software app like that.
If you want to be a Java developer, sitting down with the Java for Dummies and Idiots books is a great place to start.